Got a 2018 Chevy Silverado double cab. It's a Redline edition with the Z71 package. It is actually a special purchase through General Motors, and it is pre-owned. But when I get to the miles, I'll show you what the miles are. This truck is brand new. Not a scratch on it. Backup camera, lockable tailgate, your trailer hitch, obviously your Redline package with your wheels, your steps, the door handle, Z71 package. Obviously you got the all-weather mats. I just wanted to verify these miles. Yeah, 120 miles. All the electronics that you'd want, which is your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Everything's still in the plastic. It's a nice truck. If you want to save some money, this is the truck. Come and see us at Poage Chevrolet of Wentzville.